I've been shopping. Okay. I have bought a little bit of trinkets and baubles for my feet for fall 2024 because you know the new season is here and we got to make sure that our feet are well taken care of. Say amen in the comments if you agree with that, and then go ahead and grab your man's card because we're going to do some damage. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Ford, wife, mom, content creator, based out of Birmingham, Alabama, but she's a Niger babe. Nigerian born, channels all things fashion, beauty, travel, entrepreneurship, and luxury. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please think about hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you as part of our growing community. If you're one of my regular lovies, you already know, grab his card, let's go. So recently, my feet had been telling me that they wanted to be loved too. And I realized I bought a lot of things. Smell goods for my body, clothes for my body, skincare for my face. All these beautiful things to beautify everything but the feet. And the feet do 90% of the work. That's what they told me. So I wanted to buy a couple of things, a couple of baubles and trinkets for my feet. So I went to the shoe store and bought some shoes. Is that okay? Is that okay with y'all? Are we okay with that? Let's do an unboxing of some of my luxury shoes that I've recently just purchased, as well as a luxury perfume that I purchased while I was purchasing these because my feet said they wanted to be sprayed with perfume as well. So I had to buy that. So let's go ahead and get started. The first shoe is not a practical one. Okay. The first shoe, there's no shoe in that box. They are a pair of Burberry Heels. Y'all, Amazon, no, not Amazon, Walmart has a Dupiana of these. I found out when I went to Fashion Week that Walmart had a Dupiana from Brandon Maxwell. Shocker, shocker, shocker. But these are absolutely gorgeous. They are not practical, but they are so cute. If you don't like, you know, the things between your piggy pig pigs, then this is not the shoe for you. But if you want a statement shoe that's going to turn heads, because I wore this while I was in New York and everybody stopped me to ask me where I got these shoes from. Everybody was like, oh my God, look at those shoes. They're so cool. They're so different. There are different variations of this shoe from Burberry. The other one has a flower on the front. I just did not like it with the flower, but I loved it with the velvet and the leather and the fur. So you have 3 different materials going on in this shoe. Look at that. And I wore it on the streets of New York and the fur still looks good. I thought it was going to be like human body parts and cat fur and dog throw up because this is New York, but it actually worked out really well because even though this hits the ground, it doesn't hit the ground like that. So it was absolutely perfect. Now my feet did get dirty because New York is filthy, but I loved it. The heel is very minimal, so you don't have to worry about a high heel. It's not high at all. And maybe that is the reason why I'm not in love with these shoes because the heels aren't that high. But she is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous pair of shoes. I'll put a video to the side of me styling it for New York Fashion Week for an event that I went to. But that is the first pair of heels. As soon as my feet saw these heels, they screamed and they were like, girl, you're going to get these. Like, swipe his card right now. The next boot that I got, I actually just bought this and I have not worn it yet. This is an unboxing with you guys because clearly it's just coming out the box. Are these OffWhite booties. Now, I did have a boot video. I think it's already come out. I'll link it up top. If it hasn't come out, it's coming out. But when I saw these OffWhite booties, I was like, girl, say less. And I actually put it on. I tell you when you're buying booties to buy it for the smallest part of your leg, especially with a booty. You don't want your ankles swimming in the Red Sea and jingle jangling around the top of your boots because it looks crazy. So try to find boots that fit your tiny baby ankles. And if you don't find boots like that, opt for booties that are made of sock. So the sock booties would be perfect for you because they're sock, so they stretch. And then they usually have like this this sticky material that sticks to your calf muscles. I have several booties that are sock booties, and I love sock booties because my ankles are smaller than my calf muscles. I love this. It zips on the side. It is leather on the inside as well. And the beautiful, there are two parts of this boot that made me buy it. You have this little peekaboo opening with off-white on it in the silver. And then on the side, do you see that? It's dented in. Somebody took a bat and hit you upside your head. Now you got a dent on it. That was very graphic. Like somebody took a coconut and hit you, and now you have a dent on the side of your head. That's what this is. Do you see how gorgeous it is? And I love that the other boots, it's on the opposite side. A little denty dent is on the opposite side. I love that it's a sharp knife edge to the front of the boot. And I also love that the heel is not that tall and the arch is not that bad. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful black leather booties that will kind of go with almost anything. You can wear it underneath pants. You can wear it with skirts. The list goes on and on and on. Baby, I'm obsessed with this boot. I can't wait to wear it. But I will say, I don't like the heels at all because these are baby kitten heels. For me, I know for some of y'all, they're skyscrapers. For me, they're not tall enough. Next shoe that I got, I feel like I was peer pressured into this shoe because I tried it on in Atlanta and did not like it. I was like, they're different, but they're weird. They look like hobbit feet. If you know what I'm talking about, comment it down below because some of you guys have seen these Balmain pumps. They're hideous, but they're hideous enough that they're actually kind of cute. And I also wore it while I was in New York. I'll put a picture to the side. I wore it underneath jeans, so you really couldn't see it, but it's like that added toe that elongated my leg. But when I tell you, these are very uncomfortable to walk in, please believe me. This right here, the devil lives in this crevice right here. Baby, the devil lives right here. That's his house. That goes into hell because it will pinch your foot like never before. But look-wise, when it's on, it's hideous. When you style it, it's less hideous. I don't know. I don't like it, but I bought it, so I don't know what to tell you. But she's a very, very, unique shoe. I feel like I just need to take time to style it in a way that's going to make me like it. But yeah, she's not a favorite of mine because she's very uncomfortable. I did a photo shoot with her in New York, and I literally had to take her off and get my sister to give me her flats because I could not walk back to the hotel because this right here was pinching my foot to the gods and beyond. But again, she is what she is. Maybe I should have gotten a 37.5. But if you like unique shoes and you have a narrow feet, I don't have a narrow feet. These are going to be perfect for you. The Keebler Elves made these especially for you. Next shoe I absolutely love. I wore them while I was in New York, and these are the YSL platform sandals. They are high, but they are platform, so you get the leveling out because of the platform on the front. They strap around your ankles. They are heavy. That's the only thing I'll say about them. They're very heavy. So if you're thinking about running in them, it's not happening. You're going to break your ankle. If you're thinking about going for a 6-hour event in them, baby, it's like you are on a Stairmaster. They're very heavy, but look-wise, they're gorgeous. And comfortability-wise, they're actually very comfortable. I wore them all around. I wore them to 3 different events in the same day in New York, from morning all the way to night. So I don't have that much to complain about them, but I will just say that they are very heavy for a shoe. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. What sold me on it was this buckle detail. Do you see this gorgeous buckle detail? And then also around the ankles, it buckles into another buckle detail, so you have the 2 buckles. It is I don't know if it's gold, if it's silver, or if it's a rusted silver metal. It almost looks like it's rusted, but I love that design detail in it. Listen, if somebody's chasing you, take this shoe off and just throw it. It's a weapon. It's a weapon. And I guess for that, it's worth it. Next item that I bought was Can't Stop Loving You by Kilian. You guys know I love Kilian fragrances. This makes it the 4th Kilian fragrance that I own. Kilian, if you're watching this, send me some perfumes, baby. I'm running out of money. Can't Stop Loving You smells absolutely delicious. It is also like a summer scent. So keep that in mind. I will have, I'm trying to look up the notes for y'all. So hold on. I will have fall fragrance video with my aunt coming up this month. So just wait for that. But this is definitely like a summery scent. It is floral, warm florals, orange blossom, cyst labandinum, and vanilla. And so it is definitely a summer floral fragrance. I loved it. It's the orange blossom that really is speaking to me. It reminds me of Hibiscus Maharaj or Hibiscus Maharaj, I don't know, by Cavalli. Is it Cavalli? I don't know who the I'll put the picture to the side and the name. But Hibiscus Maharaj, that's what this reminds me of. That orange blossom is picking up very, very strongly. It also reminds me of a Louis Vuitton fragrance. I can't remember the name of it. That also has orange blossom. Orange blossom I can always smell in a scent. And this is absolutely stunning. This would pair well with other warm florals as well as any orange note scents that you have in your collection. It is like the perfect summer scent. I even feel like this would be great for spring because spring the flowers are opening. It's warm. So spring into summer, this is perfect. Again, I will have a fall perfume video for you when my aunt is available. We'll get together and put together fall perfumes that you must have. One I would recommend is Narcotic Delight by Inicio. I actually just bought it for my aunt. I'm going to go back and buy it for myself because it is delicious. I was in New York. I stopped by this pop-up with black designers, and I ended up going by this designer named Florian. She makes these gorgeous bags. She also makes a bag that's just like the Bottega Veneta Andiamo clutch. I'll put a picture of her bag with the Bottega underneath. They look so similar, and hers are gorgeous. Of course, I have the Bottega and I love it, so I highly recommend that one. But if you're looking for something a little bit less expensive, the Florian one will work great for you. I saw this leopard print bag by Florian, and I said, Fumi, this will be good for the economy. I will link her bags down below if you want to check them out. I also link all the things that I'm showing down below. It is a crossbody. The crossbody straps are on the back, which is very odd, but I think it helps it lay better when it's on the back. It's a top handle and a crossbody. Like I said, it opens just like the Bottega Veneta with, you know, the hardware kind of coming out of it like a sword. It is attached to the handle, and then when you open it, it is just one wide open space. Yeah, there's a little zippered compartment right here in the back for your card or your card holder, but otherwise it is just one wide open space. The beauty of it is she will fit an iPhone 15 Pro Max, which means she'll fit a card holder, a little wallet, and any other like small little things that you want to put inside of her. Let us look at the crossbody straps, which are right here. Look at the little dust bag. So cute. So this is the crossbody strap. It is also this gorgeous leopard print. She is adjustable, so you can make her a little bit longer, a little bit shorter. Let me see how she lays. No, the crossbody strap is very long. I would want her to lay right here, which means that I would need to shorten the straps. But if you're a tall girl, she's going to be perfect for you. And she lays pretty well, especially since they put the straps on the back of the bag. She doesn't have feet, but she does have the sides that come out, so you can sit her on any flat surface. She is an absolutely gorgeous bag, and I cannot wait to style her. You can style her with leopard print. You can style her with different colors. You can even style her with florals for print on print mixing. So she's a really versatile bag. Animal print is like literally a neutral, so you can style her with a lot of things, and she's perfect for this fall and winter season that's coming up. So I highly, highly recommend this bag. And the last item I want to talk about isn't really like, it's not something I like put on my channel because I'm usually in heels, but I just found out that I have been diagnosed as pre-diabetic, which means I need to bring my A1C down, which means I need to start exercising. Ever since I had my last son, I haven't really been exercising. Because I have sciatica and a lot of other things that just make it hard. So I wanted to buy a pair of shoes to just start out my health journey because I need to lose weight, and I need to lose weight for health reasons. I know I could take the shot or all the things people are doing, but I don't even take Advil when I'm sick, so I know I'm not going to do that. I want to do it a different way and really work on taking care of my body the right way. For so long, I haven't taken care of my body, and that's something I'll talk about later on and more as time goes on, as I go on this health journey. So I bought a pair of On Clouds. Now, my husband has a pair. Is it called On Cloud? I don't even know. One Cloud, Cloud Go, oh, I don't know. This little thing. I can't even tell you what the name of this shoe is. I think it's On Cloud. I actually bought my husband a pair of these shoes for the gym, and he loved them so much. I guess they have like some sort of good technology. I got them for like $100 and something, I think. Yeah, from Nordstrom Rack. I think they might be on sale now for less, but I will link them down below if anybody wants to come on this health journey with me. I like the color. It's very simple. It's very airy and very light. And I just needed a shoe that was going to motivate me to exercise. That wasn't just a cute shoe, because I have Valentino tennis shoes, all that. I wanted a shoe that was made for exercise, that was going to give me arch support and really help me not like mess up my sciatica. And if you have sciatica, you know what I mean. It's a pinched nerve in your buttocks that goes down to your legs. Every now and then I'll get an attack and I can't even get out of bed. If I do too much, if I exercise too much, I'll literally can't get out of bed with sciatic nerve pain. So I wanted a shoe that had some technology behind it and had a lot of good reviews, and a lot of people are talking about just how great of a shoe it is. So I bought these On Clouds, and they're not cute. They're not like, luxury. They are what they are. They are functional and they are needed in this time in my life. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I made it like a little bit heavy at the end. Please forgive me, but life be lifing. So I just want to be real with y'all. Thank you for joining me. If you're new to this channel and you watch this video all the way through, please think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of our growing community. If you're one of my regular lovies, girl, it was so good to see you. Now swipe his card. If you're not following me on any of my other social media platforms, it is Fumi Forward across all platforms. I love y'all. Mean it. Bye.